What is going on out there, peeps? All right, let's get into the Vietnam down, man, because I told you guys when it comes to Vietnam and Iraq, I'm looking for, things that show us that our currencies are going to increase in exchange rate. But most importantly, man, once I get my money, what am I going to do with it? So I look long term. Vietnam's one of my favorite places to look into. There's a lot of good stuff there. And that's why I like it. I share this with you just in case you're interested in knowing more. I definitely need to figure out a way for us to get over and invest in Vietnam. There's no doubt about that. I got to find that out. All right. So again, quick reminder, everybody, if you're thinking about buying some precious metals, give our friends over there at Money Metals Exchange a consideration. The link is in the description. If you buy more than 100 ounces of precious, or 100 ounces, $100 worth of precious metals, use promo code Pimpy, Pimpy, and then pick up a free half ounce of silver. We got Pimpy's Investment Chat. It's the same name as the YouTube channel. In here, we talk about investment opportunities. Keep away from the politics. Gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, and foreign currency investments. Bring the politics over to this group, which is known as Hidden Things in Front of Your Eyes. In here, we do talk about politics. Okay, so in here, you talk about NESARA, GESARA, politics, current events, as well as QAnon, and anything else that some people might consider to be a conspiracy. We have Pimpy's Twitter account. Here it is. Come on over there and join me, you guys. All right. The links are in the description for all of these. Come join me. It's free to do so. So look I'm going to show you again some good news coming out of there despite the Rona. All right. Trading accounts of foreign investors highest in 8 months. 8 months. The Vietnam Security Depository in Australia issued security trading codes to 296 foreign investors, the highest recorded within 8 months, but down 8.6% over the same period last year. Well, that's due to the Rona. Of the 296 trading codes, VSD granted codes to 16 institutional investors and 280 to individuals. So this is good. This is helping them expand and grow. Their stock exchange is what we're talking about here, okay? Good Lord, I don't know what it is when I make a video, sneeze, man. I swear, conditioned myself. So despite the outbreak of the Rona, the stock market still enjoyed growth in August. Just like here in the United States, in case you guys didn't see this, hey, unemployment dropped down to just above 8%. Not bad. That's about where it was when Trump got into office, considering we still are dealing with the corona imprisonment. Despite the outbreak of the Rona, the stock market still enjoyed growth in August, with the VN index raising 83.26 points, or 10.43% compared to July. The HNX index also increased by 17.34%. So in other words, they're doing good. This is what we want. I don't want to keep reading this because I know it's kind of boring. But anyways, I'm just showing you that, look, their economy is doing good. The market's doing good over there. Okay? That would encourage me as an outside investor wanting to go into Vietnam to see that other investors are confident in this move into Vietnam. And you can really, I think you really could benefit if you can get on their stock exchange. Foreign tech firms eye big investments in Vietnam. Say what, Pimpy? Did you say that? I just said something similar to that, right? More tech could be coming to Vietnam soon as foreign enterprises demonstrate an appreciation for the country's attractive investment environment. A number of foreign technology corporations were eyeing large investments in Vietnam, given the country's improved business climate, rapid global integration, abundant labor resources, and success in containing the Rona. That, and you got to add in the fact that, people are pissed at what happened with the whole China situation, and they are bringing their companies out of there. Once Trump's reelected, he's going to bring back all the companies. Boy, he is going to give them such great incentives. So don't be surprised if you don't see other countries doing the same thing that Trump's going to do. Really incentivize countries to come back into their countries of origin and do the manufacturing there, or at least move out of China and into these other locations. Malaysia, Thailand, Taiwan, Philippines, Vietnam, Singapore. Okay? So again, just showing you, look, there's talking about the trade agreements and how these things are all beneficial to helping the economy grow. What does that mean? So if the economy grows in Vietnam, that strengthens their dollar. It strengthens it against the US dollar, which is good because as the value of the US dollar falls, the exchange rate increases for those holding on to the Vietnam dong. It puts a little bit more jingle in your pocket. But for me, as far as jumping into these investments on the stock market, that's big for me. And everybody knows what my favorites are. I talk about them every time I see them. So, okay, this is good. Foreign tech firms eyeing big investment opportunities in Vietnam. We like to see that. VIB to list 924.5 shares on main exchange. Is this a company going public, it sounds like? What? Another one? The Vietnam International Joint Stock Bank plans to move 924.5 million shares to the Hanoi, or is that Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange, from the unlisted public company market, according to the exchange filing. So they already got some on another exchange. It's unlisted. They're moving it over where the big dogs are. The Vietnamese leaders was reported to have sent registration documents for listing shares worth nearly 398 million US dollars, that is, to Vietnam's main stock exchange early this week. Okay, so again, this is good. This is what we like to see. Their stock exchange grow, giving more people more options out there. I liked it. I like the way that sounds. It is expected to share listings will proceed in November. The bank has been traded with, of course, the unpublic company market. Anyways, that's what the UPCOM is since 2017. VIB reported pre-tax profit increased by 1.4 trillion Vietnam dollars in 2017 to 4.08 trillion in 2019. That's a pretty good sized dang jump, man. And what's that, just 2 years? Yeah, I like that. I dig that. The first 6 months of 2020, the lender's net income reached 3.7 trillion, up 27% compared to the same period last year. That's despite the Rona. All right, so again, these people are moving over to the big stock exchange. This is giving people more options when it comes to investing money over in Vietnam. Again, as soon as I find out the information, if it's even possible for us to invest into the Vietnam stock markets from where we are, I'll share that information with you. Of course, here we get in my favorite area when it comes to investing in Vietnam. Everybody knows I like the idea of investing into real estate. I really do. Property Gurus raises 220 million US dollars to accelerate growth in Southeast Asia. Yeah, we read reports after reports all the time about properties over there. Property Guru Group, the parent company of Bat Dong San, the top property site in Vietnam, on Thursday announced it has received an additional investment of 220 million US dollars in recent funding rounds from global investment firms TPG and KKR. So again, I know I'm not the only one picking up on this, that real estate is that is definitely the market you want to get into over there in Vietnam. The support for TPG over the past 5 years and KKR over the past 2 years will see Property Guru invest in strategic areas of growth, including its mortgage marketplace launched this year, Property Guru. So I guess besides Vien Group and Viet Homes, so Property Guru sounds like another one of these companies that you might want to look into, if you don't mind me sharing with you, because if they're the number one investment firm out there, then yeah. But I'm still good about going into Viet Homes and Vina Group and Vina Milk and Vietcom Bank and the State Bank too, because those seem to be. I played a video the other day showing you all the different kinds of companies that are doing really good on the stock market. They're the same ones that magically pop up all the time, and that's why, again, if you're looking to invest long terms, if you don't mind me saying, I would recommend you move over there into the Vietnam market. And also, I'm anticipating some great things, and I have great hope for over there in Iraq that happens. Okay, I forgot to bring up, because I was going to show you guys, because somebody asked me earlier and said I had not talked about the gold market today. So anyways, real quick, while I got a quick minute. Here we go. So what's going on? Do we see recovery? Because we've seen a pretty good drop, and I said, look, it'll recover, and of course it is. It's still sitting up there, somewhere around 1,900, somewhere in the halfway mark. It's been up, and they don't go up and down very much. It goes up and down somewhere within a $50 range. Silver, look at that, back up above $27 all over again. So you guys, I told you this is what happens. This shouldn't shake you. As a speculator, I understand that. Look, you can see again over here, cryptocurrencies all rebounding, even though stock is going down. You can see all of them moving again. All right. So I just wanted to point that out because somebody had asked me about it earlier, and since I got your guys' attention, just kind of mention that. Again, if you guys are considering buying precious metals, please think about our friends over there at Money Metals Exchange. Okay. And for those of you who are not here in the United States, there are other sites I've listed underneath there. Try to see if you can find your country. All right, you guys, that's it. I just wanted to share that right now. Over there in Vietnam, the economy's looking good. Foreign investors are coming in by droves. This is all happening despite the Rona. All right, if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. I'll catch you later.